Before we start, let me ask you a simple question. Imagine a company receives 500 customer orders today, but when they check the warehouse, the product is already out of stock. Or imagine the opposite situation. The warehouse is full of products that are not selling and the company's money is stuck in unsold inventory. Both situations create serious problems for a business. This is exactly where inventory management becomes extremely important. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Logistics Value. If you want to build a career in logistics, warehouse operations, supply chain, or even SAP, understanding inventory management is one of the most important skills you must learn. In this video, I will explain what inventory management is and the basic concepts behind it in very simple language so that beginners, students, and freshers can easily understand how companies control their stock. Inventory simply means the materials or goods that a company keeps in its warehouse for business purposes. These goods can be raw materials used in production, semi-finished items that are still being processed, or finished goods that are ready to be sold to customers. Inventory management is the process of tracking, controlling, storing, and managing these materials efficiently so that the company always has the right quantity of stock available. In simple words, inventory management helps companies make sure that they never run out of stock and also never keep unnecessary excess stock. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose a retail company sells packaged food products. If the company keeps very little stock in the warehouse, customers may place orders, but the company will not be able to deliver the products on time. This situation is called a stockout, and it can damage customer trust. On the other hand, if the company stores too many products, the warehouse becomes overcrowded, storage costs increase, and some products may expire or become damaged. This is called overstocking. So the main goal of inventory management is to maintain the right balance of stock, ensuring that products are available when customers need them without wasting money on unnecessary inventory. Now let's understand some basic concepts of inventory management that every beginner should know. The first concept is stock level. Stock level simply refers to the quantity of products available in the warehouse at a given time. Companies constantly monitor stock levels to ensure operations run smoothly. The second concept is safety stock. Safety stock is extra inventory kept as a backup to handle unexpected situations such as sudden increases in demand or delays from suppliers. This helps businesses avoid stock shortages. Another key concept is reorder level. Reorder level is the specific point at which the company decides to place a new order with suppliers before the stock runs out. When inventory reaches this level, the procurement department starts the procurement process. Next comes lead time. Lead time is the time required for a supplier to deliver materials after the company places an order. If lead time is long, companies need to plan inventory carefully to avoid shortages. Another key concept is inventory tracking. Inventory tracking means monitoring stock movement whenever materials are received, transferred, used in production, or dispatched to customers. Today, most companies use ERP systems like SAP to track inventory accurately. Inventory management also uses different methods to control stock movement. One common method is FIFO, which means first in, first out. This method ensures that the oldest stock is used or sold first. It is very important for industries dealing with food products, medicines, and other items with expiry dates. Companies also perform stock verification or cycle counting regularly. This means physically counting the materials in the warehouse and comparing them with the system records. This helps identify differences and maintain accurate inventory data. Good inventory management provides several benefits to a company. It improves operational efficiency, reduces storage costs, prevents stock shortages, increases customer satisfaction, and helps companies make better financial decisions. That is why inventory management plays a critical role in industries like manufacturing, e-commerce, retail, logistics, pharmaceuticals, and FMCG companies. Now, let's quickly summarize what you learned in this video. Inventory management is the process of controlling and monitoring stock within a business. Its main objective is to maintain the right quantity of materials so that operations run smoothly without stock shortages or excess inventory. Important concepts include stock levels, safety stock, reorder level, lead time, inventory tracking, and stock control methods like FIFO. If you clearly understand these basic concepts, you will find it much easier to work in warehouse operations, logistics management, supply chain roles, and SAP systems like SAP MM. In the next video, we will learn about different types of inventory used in companies and how warehouses manage them in real operations. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with friends who want to learn logistics and supply chain management, and subscribe to Logistics Value for more practical training content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.